Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Thursday the 7th of May with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's look at sterling dollar now, and it is UK polling day for the general election, and generally what you see is a fair amount of volatility, and even today we've seen that in the early trading session. It certainly looks as though sterling's been fairly choppy over the past couple of weeks, really. No real trend emerging. A slight element of support coming in of 50.87 is the low of a couple of days this week, and it certainly seems as though that's holding near term, but certainly on the momentum indicators fairly indecisive, really. Slight sort of positive bias, but that's only really because you're trading above the moving averages. Momentum indicators sort of fairly, as I said, sort of fairly indecisive in their momentum. So the hourly chart, well, this has already seen a fair amount of chop around in the early European session. You've seen some early weakness in sterling falling away, finding support around that 51.60 mark. That was just above the 51.50 low that we saw yesterday. And it's sort of, I think that's going to be a theme of today. It's not going to really be holding on to any real gains, I think, because the chances are that sterling will come under pressure generally from this UK election uncertainty, and I think that the chances are we'll see some further weakness in sterling. But at the moment, I mean, that's more of a news-driven sort of fundamental opinion rather than the technicals. The technicals are fairly mixed at the moment. No real trends on either the daily or the intraday charts. So we're sort of pretty much trading off this election at the moment, I think. And chances are that's going to put pressure to the downside. In terms of your resistance levels, you'd say 53 figure, which was a low. If I can get my crosshair going, 53 figure was the low a few days ago, and also 54 figure as well, which was an interesting pivot level at the end of April, early May. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again tomorrow.